In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a view once only photo on WhatsApp on your Android phone. If you've ever wanted to share a picture that can be viewed a single time and then disappears, WhatsApp's View Once feature makes that simple. Here's how to use it confidently from start to finish. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your Android phone and heading to the chat of the person you want to send the photo to. Make sure you are in the correct conversation before you proceed, since this feature is designed for quick, one-time sharing. Next, choose the photo you want to send. Tap the paperclip icon to pick an image from your gallery, or tap the camera icon if you prefer to take a new picture on the spot. After selecting or capturing the image, you will land on the preview screen. This is your chance to check framing and clarity, and make any quick edits like cropping or adding text if needed. Before you send, turn on View Once. Look to the bottom right corner of the image preview and find the circled number 1. Tap it. When it fills in or turns green, View Once is active. This small change is your visual confirmation that the photo will be limited to a single view. If it doesn't appear filled or green, it's not enabled, so double-check this before you go further. Now you can send the photo by tapping the send arrow. That's it. From the recipient's side, WhatsApp will clearly indicate that the media is set to view once, so they'll know it can only be opened a single time. The moment they open it and then close it, the photo disappears from the chat. It won't stay in the conversation, and it won't be available to open again. For your privacy, the recipient won't be able to save, forward, or take a screenshot of the photo. This protection is built into the View Once mode, helping ensure the image remains temporary and private. Remember, this setting applies only to the item you just sent. So if you send another photo later, you'll need to enable View Once for that one too. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.